Today matters. You have probably heard it a million times. It's the truth. You can't control your past or wish they turned out different. You can't predict the future as well. Today matters. People create success in their lives by focusing on today. It may sound trite, but today is the only time you have. It's too late for yesterday, and you can't depend on tomorrow. That's why today matters. John C. Maxwell. One thing you have total control over is today, and you should make it count. Live in the moment, give your time and undivided attention to what you do now, and it will make sense down the road. 10 years ago, I could not figure out a lot of things about my life. I had no clue how to fund my graduate school education. I was wary of taking on too much debt. After 3 years of failed attempts to enroll in grad school, it worked out well, and I moved to Australia for my postgraduate program. 6 years ago, I was a student following a lonely path. Everything was unclear. I didn't even know if I would find work in Australia. I was enrolled in a not-so-popular course. There were many uncertainties surrounding employment, career, and the future. I opted to stay because I believed in what I was doing. I had a vision and a goal. The steps I took at the moment were all that mattered. In 2020, COVID turned up unexpectedly. It shook the world. My career background became instrumental in the health sector. Today, I am working in my dream role and I earned more. I didn't know how it would happen, but I knew I would succeed in the end if I did not give up on my dreams. I kept contributing my daily 1%, I kept moving. Success is the product of daily habits, not once-in-a-lifetime transformations. James Clear. Closing thoughts. Don't give up on your dreams, keep moving. Don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Whatever you do, understand your why, know why you are doing it. If it's important to you enough, keep going, you will eventually win. There is light at the end of the tunnel, give it the time and attention it needs. Focus on doing your best and making the best out of it. You might make mistakes during the process. Don't fret, fail fast and learn from your mistakes, they will make you wiser. Forgive yourself and do it fast. Accept that mistakes are part of the journey to success. Use your past mistakes and experiences to become a better you. Improve daily. These daily actions will compound over time. In the end, life happens. You do not know what you do know. Today is what you know and already have. This is what you can control and change. Make the best use of it by giving it your best to give your tomorrow the best chance of survival and fulfillment. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Take action today.